This is how to protect your die-cast DIY. All you need is just a shower cap, and it is available in your local stores, and it's even free when you check into a hotel. Any size of die-cast will fit, whether it's 1x18 or 1x64. The shower cap will protect your die-casts from dust while on display. It's easy and cheap to keep your die-casts clean and neat when you have a shower cap on your die-casts. Plus, it's easy to replace once the shower cap needs replacement. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.